Southwest lime chicken with corn and zucchini salad is a flavorful journey through the American Southwest, where every bite tells a story. This dish blends Native American, Mexican, and Spanish influences into something truly unique. Lime has long been a hero in Southwest cooking, adding a bright, zesty kick to dishes. When paired with cumin and chili powder, it creates a marinade that's as bold as a desert sunset. Corn, a staple crop for Native American tribes, adds sweetness and crunch, while zucchini, brought by European settlers, adds a versatile, mild touch. Together, these ingredients celebrate the Southwest's vibrant food culture. Every bite of that juicy, lime-marinated chicken and crunchy corn and zucchini salad is like a piece of history on your plate. It's not just a meal. It's a delicious slice of Southwest tradition. Southwest cuisine is all about bold flavors and fresh, locally sourced ingredients, and this dish embodies that spirit perfectly. The tangy lime and smoky spices balance each other out, creating a mouth-watering harmony that's hard to resist.